Hello and welcome to Tathagat GS Web. Dear students, many of the students have demanded to make this video in the English content, so that we are making. And for your kind information, please note this is the paper of the group A and B, which was held on the 1st August. And also for your information, the subject code is 431 and I am explaining you the series C. In case if you need the detailed explanation, you can request us in the comment section. I will explain some of the questions here which we have committed mistake in our Kannada explanation. Let me take you through the question paper. First question: on which article union budget is presented annually? This is a basic question, no need of explanation. It's article 112. And the second question here, it's a current affair based question. The recently Suez Canal has been in the news. For what reason? They have given the four statement. Let us look at the statements. The first one is, it's a length and width were increased. No. 400-meter long ship was trapped in the middle of the canal. Yes, absolutely correct. And since it adds a Mediterranean, no. And here the ship traffic loss is estimated to be 1 billion. Yes, exactly correct. Here what they have asked, reason, right? Reason, here the right answer will be the B and D. Let us look at the next question. This one is also the current affair based one. Which of the following organization was released State of the Global Climate 2020? This is the World Meteorological Organization. In case if you need the PDF of this question paper, you can just go through our Telegram channel Tathagat GS Prep. The link will be given in the description. You can join and access this PDF file. The next one, which institution published Corona Studies series titled Psychosocial Impact of Pandemic and Lockdown and How to Cope Up With? It was a very much news in the lockdown time. It's a right answer will be the National Book Trust. The next one, the 14th edition of IPL 2021 did not. In any of the questions, you have to make sure or mark whether it is a correct or non-correct, what they have asked or what they are not asked. In this case, they are asking the did not. They did not select the here the option they have given Ahmedabad, New Delhi. Here the right answer will be the Hyderabad, Kanpur, Mohali and Rajkot. The next one, the following airports have the tabletop runway. Here the right answer will be a Mangalore, Kannur and Kozhikode. How many seats have been allocated for Karnataka in Rajya Sabha? It's a 12. Next one, which of the following is not matching? Here Gokak Fall is not matching. Here Gokak Fall is on the Ghataprabha. Okay, it is on the Ghataprabha. Next one, which social media platform launched the coronavirus information hub partnership with the WHO, UNICEF and UNDP? It was the WhatsApp. Next one, which country became the first nation to complete clinical trial of a COVID-19 vaccine? It was the Russia. Which vaccine is that one? Sputnik. Okay, Sputnik V. Lunar Lake is located in which state? It's located in the Maharashtra. And also many of the time about the Lunar Lake, they ask the how it has been created. Kindly comment me if anyone of you know the how it has been created. Karnataka Bala was the famous it's a famous army consolidated by the Pullikeshi II. Okay, it has been asked many times in a KS, KPSC, in KPSC exams like in FDA, SDA and even in the PSI, PCA exams also. This question has been asked already. Gandhara art. This one is also most repeating questions. It's a Kushana. It's also most repeating question. Uttaram Perampur inscription dealt with the local self-government. It's a Parantaka 1. Where is the iron pillar? This is also most repeating question. It's a Mehruli, New Delhi. It's a static GK. Quit India movement, you know, here you should be know the chronology order of the events like a Quit India movement, non-cooperation movements and many other chronological events, you should be know the dates and years. Here the answer will be the 8th August 1942. Here the mental ability. In case if you need the detailed explanation of a mental ability, you can request me in the comment section so that I can explain you with the explanation with the shortcut methods for these all questions. Here the right answer will be the 150. In examination, here the right answer will be the 7. Here there are some of the ABC. Here the right answer will be the 71. Here the deer and peacock. Here the right answer will be 50. Boat and stream. Here right answer will be the 4. The percentage rectangle plot. Here the right answer will be the 4250, option 3. Which one of the following here missing is the 9? 23rd is the 4th option. A man walked. Here right answer will be the 45. See, in case if you need the detailed explanation, you can request me in the comment section so that I can make you video for that also, for mental ability explanation. Here kindly allow me to correct me that in the Kannada version we said the option 3. It is not the option 3. It's a correct answer is the 42, option 1. It's a correct option. Ravi was standing. It's here the right answer will be the 33. Here the right answer will be the 400. See, it's a key answer explanation, so that I'm just taking you through the key answers. Here the right answer will be the 80. A pump can, your water and tank. Here the right answer will be the 14. And here the right answer will be the 100. Yeah, this one from the polity. Competent to prescribe the conditions for the acquiring a citizenship. Who? It says prescribed by the parliament, by the act. Next one, the Constitution of India provides following options. Let me see. Presidential form of government, cabinet system government, parliamentary system, and bicameral system. No, India doesn't provide the presidential form. Okay, it's a presidential form follows in the US. Here the right answer will be the BCD. The article is related to equal justice, free legal aid. It's article 39A, DPSP. And union government gives a grant in aid on the recommendation of the Finance Commission. Which article provide the creation of All India Service? It's a article 312. Procedure for impeachment of president, article 61. These are the very much straightforward questions, no need of explanation, I think so. Kindly note, by mistakenly we have said in the Kannada version it's schedule 2. It was by mistake. The correct answer is the schedule 3 for the oath and affirmation. According to the article 12, we have to, the state includes, okay, the state includes the government and the Parliament of India, the government and the legislature of each state, all local and other authority within the territory of India or under a control of a government India. Here all the statements are correct. All statements are correct. Next one, silent features of a fundamental rights in India. Right answer will be the, they are both negative and positive. Okay. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Not correct. See, in this case you have to very careful about the not. Okay. Here the equal representation is given to the state in a Rajya Sabha is not correct. In a secular state of a religion has nothing to do with the politics. And which one of the following tax levied and collected by the union but distributed among the state? It's a income tax. Next one, the Council of a Minister under Article 75 Clause 3, it's a collective responsibility of the House of the People. The right to property here is the an individual privileges See, many of you might be knowing the question most of the time. This one is the right to property is the it's a constitutional right under Article 300A. Before it was the fundamental right, but it has been changed to the constitutional right or legal right. And next one, who appoints the chairman of Finance Commission? President. Money bill can be only introduced in the Lok Sabha. The Rajya Sabha can be delayed it maximum up to 14 days, and nothing much can be done by the Rajya Sabha in this money bill case. If the President of India want to resign, he has to address a letter of resignation to the Vice President. Okay, Vice President. Okay, in case if you need this PDF file, you can just go through our Telegram channel and get access. The member of a National Commission of a SST were appointed by the President. See, polity questions were not that much difficult and not applied once. You can be easily done. Who is the custodian of the fundamental right of an Indian citizen? Supreme Court. The right to constitutional remedy under Article 32 fundamental rights. The Finance Commission is a constitution for every 5 years. The President of India is bound to give assent to the bill without a consideration, that is the money bill. The Parliament or a state legislature can declare a seat vacant if a member of a house remain absent for a period of 60 days. Which is the first state of India which was formed on the linguistic ground? It's Andhra Pradesh in 1953. In 1953. You must be know Pattabhi Sitaramaiah, who took the unto death protest in that case. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the Uniform Civil Code? It's Article 44. The first Republic Day was celebrated on the January 20. It was the Thursday. It was also again by the mistake we said the Wednesday. Please kindly correct this one. The angle between the minute hand, it's again the mental ability, it's a 10 degree. Here the answer will be 252. Yeah, it was mistake by us. We said 0 in the Kannada version. The right answer here is the infinity. Here the Einstein theory of relativity works. In case of the mass, in case of finding a mass, we have to follow this formula. Here the when v equal to c, when it becomes a v equal to c, this will get 0, so that the mass will become infinity. Okay, so right answer will be the infinity. The semiconductor diode can be used in the rectifier, logic gates, LED lamps. All of the correct is the correct answer. Raman effect is a scattering of the photons. Which of the following is a knot? Here you must be note on knot. They have asked the knot. Characteristic of a laser. The monochromatic is the S, coherent S, and intense S. Divergent is the not a character of the laser. Next one, the series they have asked, it's repeating here. Yeah, when a milk is churned, the cream gets separated due to centrifugal. Fog is an example of, it's an easy one, liquid dispersed in a gas. Yeah, here many of you might get confused. It might be the good conducting power of the metal body. No, it's a greenhouse effect. What happens when the car is parked? The infrared, the IR radiation from the sun which enters through the window of the car, which gets trapped inside the car, there will not be any space for reflecting back, so that it gets heated. The right answer here will be the greenhouse effect. The next one, the ultraviolet radiation finds their application in which of the following? It stimulate the human body to produce a vitamin D. Yes, correct. Distinguish between the fake and real diamonds. Yes, correct. Detect any alteration in a bank check. Is correct. Detect a forged currency. No, this is also correct. The all of above are the correct. Father of a green revolution, easy one, M.S. Swaminathan. GK fact. Some of the all genes found in the individual of the population of a particular species is known as the gene pool. RT-PCR, reverse transcription polymer chain reaction. There should not be any confusion here. See, coming to these questions, here I would like to give some explanation regarding this. See, we have stick to this option third. Okay, why I will explain you. And the KPSC has released the answer as the 45. Okay, 45. I will tell you why. When it comes to calculation of the HF molecules, you have to follow the there are the four different methods. Here see, the first one is Pauling electronegativity difference method. Okay, just to have a look on this. Here the percentage of ionic character. Just to have a look, and let me take you to the second one. Pauling's alternative negativity differential method. In this one, you just have a look here. The percentage of ionic character has to be for which HF you are calculating for the HF molecule. Here it will be the 44.12%. okay, 44.12%, so that it's close to the 45%. I think KPIC has stick to this method. Okay, KPSC has given the key answer correct as the 45%, right? That is followed by this method, I think, because we have thought that here you can see in the third method, Haney and Smith electronegativity difference method. Here the ionic characteristic percentage for HF is the 43%. okay, 43%. See, these are the value is depending on the dipole moment and the bond distance. Okay, the input is the very much important here, the dipole moment and the bond distance. Here for example for H2O it's a different, for HF it's a 1.91, for HCl it's a different, for carbon monoxide it's a different, for ammonia it's a different, like that. It's a depending on the value that they are considering for the calculations. Again in the there is a one more method, dipole moment method. In this case also you can note on the ionic percentage of ionic character in HF is the 43.5%, so that we said the 42. Ionic character of HCl it's a 16.8%, for HBr it's a 11.6%, for HI it's a 4.9%. that you can note down for the for your information. And I don't know whether KPSC will stick to 45 or they will turn back to the 42, but both are the correct. Just you have to remember the 45% and 42% in the upcoming exams. In case any one of this is the available, you can go for that one accordingly. The next one, absolute zero pressure can be attained at the temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius. The stem cell is an alternative for which one of the following? It's undifferentiated. Here match the following. See here, I think the hint here is the connective tissue will be the blood. Okay, where is the C for D2 matching, whether the answer should be in the 2 or 3, you must be go for the 50-50. If you know, you have to know at least any one among these three. Okay, any one among these three remaining. Here the I think stratified means layered could be the skin. If you match B to 3, you could arrive to the right answer, option B. Here option B, right answer. Next one, which one of the following hormone is not synthesized by the Langerhans? It's a vasopressin. Vasopressin is the AVP genes. The right answer is in option 4. They have asked the not. Who appoints the Lokaयुक्त of Karnataka? It's a governor of the state. Which of the following article in the constitution is considered as the heart and soul? It's article 32. See here, they asked the current affairs based, the mobile application developed by the Karnataka for the COVID-19, Apta Mitra, very well known. Even in the police constable exam also this question has been asked already. When was the first case of a COVID-19 was confirmed? It was on the 8th March 2020. You should also be know the first death in India was happened in the Karnataka, that is in the Kalburgi, 85-year-old. Please kindly note down his name also for the upcoming exams. Which city is hosting a Karnataka's first tribal museum? It was used in the, I think, in 2019 or 20. It was the Mysore. Which of the following cities is the only city in Karnataka to get rank as Swachh Bharat? It's none other than Mysore. Population Day, July 11th. What was the comment? It was in the news, New Voice. Next one, India's largest upay. It was on the Brahmaputra. It was also very much in news, and this question, I think somewhere I have explained this question. I am not able to strike that in which examination. I think in the ACF or in any other police constable or PSI examinations. Venkata Raipur village, which was declared as a tsunami ready, it was by the Odisha. Okay, Karnataka state's position, it's the first. Please comment me, India's innovation index is released by whom? Okay, kindly comment this. On which river Maitri Setu bridge is a plan to connect Tripuras with Bangladesh? This is a Feni. Next question, Government of India plan to setting up a new project Vandana in the state. This is in the Maharashtra. Next one, India's Andaman Nicobar Island shares a maritime border with which of the following countries? It's Thailand and Indonesia. Thailand and Indonesia. And how many states in India have a forest cover? Kindly allow me to correct this one. We said it was the 6, but the actual right answer is the 5. Please kindly note down this one. Let us look at the next question. The length of the Karnataka from the Bidar to Chamarajanagar they are asking for. They are asking for the Bidar to Chamarajanagar. Where is the Bidar? Bidar is here, north. Where is the Chamarajanagar? Chamarajanagar is here. What is the latitude extension of a Karnataka? From 11 degree to 18 degree. What is the difference here? 7 degree. You must be knowing the fact that 1 degree of the latitude equal to 111. Okay, and then 7 into 111, it's a 777. Okay, by this logic also you could arrive to the right answer, 750 kilometers easily. This is the only fact that how well you studied the geography. Mullangiri is the highest mountain in Chikmagaluru. Kindly comment me the height of the Mullangiri hills. Then which of the following district of Karnataka is the least area under the forest? Okay, it's a Vijaypura. As per the 2011 they are asking ODOP, you have to expand. It's a one district one product. Next one, cryptocurrency, it's a digital money, no need to be explanation any. Jalamruta scheme, it's a rural development and a Panchayat Raj scheme initiated by. Next one, Jyoti Sanjeevani scheme, it's a Karnataka state government employee. Next one, which is the right answer for the merger of the bank? Here Dena and Vijaya Bank merged with the Bank of Baroda, correct. Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India merged with the Punjab National Bank, correct. Corporation Bank and Andhra Pradesh is merged with the Union Bank. All of the correct. And the next question is the block pricing. Block pricing means here the seller charges a different price for a different quantity of a goods. Thank you for watching Tathagat GS Prep.